Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Thanks for joining me for another edition of Flock Tales. Found this fun cup of all places at Walmart the other day. It just seemed like this is kind of cool. Cool keeper with flamingos, so I had to have it. So, you know why we're here. We're going to make a rum runner. You know, about 20 years ago, I was in Grand Cayman one afternoon and I drank a lot of rum runners, and at that point I said I'm never drinking these again, but apparently I lied. So let's make one. So we need a shaker full of ice to start off with. You're going to need some pineapple juice, about 2 ounces. You're going to need white rum. I'm just going to use cruisin' aged light rum. It works just fine. You're going to need some dark rum, and of course in my mind the only dark rum there should be is Myers. Banana liqueur, and it really doesn't matter what kind you use. This is just De Kruiper. It's cheap, creamed banana, works perfect. And then last but not least, grenadine. Now this is homemade grenadine. If you don't know how to make it, it's really simple. It's 1 part pomegranate juice, 1 part sugar, boiled together for a few minutes, and you add a flavoring water of your choice. I like rose water, but a lot of people use orange water. That's fine. All right, so this is a shaken cocktail that's going to be strained over crushed ice. Now, I just happen to have a bag of crushed ice that I prepared, and we'll garnish this with a pineapple, and I'm going to use a few cherries. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the largest quantity and work down. So I've got 2 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. I'm going to do 1 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of dark rum, a 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur, 1/2 ounce of grenadine. We're going to shake this one. In a tall glass with crushed ice, we're just going to strain that right over the top. And as promised, a pineapple wedge with some cherries. And of course, a flamingo on top. That is a rum runner. If you've never had one, you need to try this. Like I said, I sat and drank a lot of them one afternoon, and that's calling my name. Until next time, if there's a drink you'd like to make, a food dish you'd like me to make, whatever. If you got questions about what you just saw or a recipe that you'd like to have, all you got to do is drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Eat and drink fabulous. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm going to drink this.